guys, welcome back to my channel, The Fusion YouTuber. I'm Dia Chawla, and in today's video you're gonna see a new trend, that is cloud skin makeup. बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में चल रहा था ना, so I thought let's try it out. कैसे होता है, क्या steps and everything I wanna tell you in this video in little detail. और उसके बाद में हम देखेंगे वर्क करता है या नहीं. Let's start. Cloud skin makeup is basically a soft matte makeup look और trend. So इसके लिए आपकी स्किन को प्रिपेयर होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And for that I'm using some products. Here I'm using a lip oil. First let me prep my lips. I already washed and toned my skin with a toner, face wash. Now it's lips time. By the way, this one is my favorite lip oil. This is from Wow. I'm gonna prep my eyes. Now my eyes are prepped. I'm gonna apply a moisturizer. For this makeup look, you need a hydrating and mattifying primer. So I recently got this one, Swiss Beauty Craze primer. And उसके बाद you need a matte foundation. I'm using Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation. हम इसे मिक्स करने वाले हैं. एक पम्प लिया है and I'm mixing 1 pump of primer in this. Blending is done and my face is really looking good. Like matte भी है but मुझे इतना ज़्यादा matte या heavy feel नहीं हो रहा जितना normally primer and foundation अलग अलग लगाने से होता है. Now the next step is using a concealer, a full coverage concealer. To set my eyes and under eyes, I'm using this Fit Mega Loose powder. After that, I'm applying my contour. On my nose, I love applying contour with my fingers. Now I'm using this blush. Now I'm taking a compact powder. You can also take the loose powder, same wala, and dipping the puff again and just tap on your face very lightly like this. Now set your base with a setting or calm fixer spray. Now I'm going with a very soft eye look, which gonna be matte. And the final step is using a matte lipstick. And yeah, that is the cloud skin makeup, which looks completely matte yet so soft and like wearable. Everyday basis पे भी आप ऐसा makeup wear कर सकते हो. So that's the look and that's how it done. All the links of the product which I used are in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, that was my video for today. I hope you find it helpful and useful. If yes, then like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel also.